Now I just got my crossbars in for my 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Once we've got everything out of the package, you just need to turn the key to unlock each lock, and then you can pull this cover off. So we're gonna remove the 1 second from the front, as well as the 1 second from the rear. Now using the smaller Allen key, we're gonna remove these 2 bolts. That will allow us to slide on the ends. We wanna put a right, and now we'll simply drop this hardware back in. So we can slide on the left side mounting bracket, and then just drop our hardware back in. We're going to repeat that exact same procedure on the rear mount. All right, we're going to drop a spacer in, place our mount on top, and just drop in a screw. Now that our rack is on and it's secure, now we want to tighten the hardware underneath the cross members. With our rack securely on, the last thing to do is insert our covers and lock them. These are rock solid crossbars for a Jeep Grand Cherokee, available on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.